Babe, tomorrow's so far away. There's something you just have to say. I don't think I can find what I'm feeling this time. Another day, knowing I love you. And I'm getting too close again. I don't wanna see you. If I tell you tonight, will you turn off the light and walk away, knowing I love you? I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize, Amanda. I'm gonna tell you right away, I can wait another day, Amanda. I'm gonna say you like a man and make you understand, Amanda. I love you. And I feel like today's the day. I'm looking for the words to say. Do you wanna be free? Are you ready for me to feel this way? I don't wanna lose you. It may be too soon, I know. The feeling is soon to grow. If I tell you today, will you turn me away and let me go? I don't wanna lose you. I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize, Amanda. I'm gonna tell you right away, I can wait another day, Amanda. I'm gonna say you like a man and make you understand, Amanda. You and I know that we can wait, and I swear I said now I go. Tomorrow may be too late. You and I go. We can share our life together. It's now or never, and tomorrow may be too late. And feeling the way I do, I don't wanna wait my whole life to say I'm in love with you.